Good morning! We are vlogging today for Vlogmas, and we are getting ready to do our Advent activity. We're going to do a hymn. Everybody is drinking hot cocoa. Don't spill it. Not everybody. Somebody's upset with me, but that's okay. Yes. Huh? I don't know. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with school. We're also building a model tabernacle, so we'll show you that. And I don't know what else we're doing today. We might have like a little gingerbread tea time. We'll see. wanted to sort of update you on our day. I am in the process of washing sheets right now, so that's why the bed is stripped. We are supposed to be making a model tabernacle for My Father's World ECC, and we had to cut some juice boxes, and yes, there was an accident with the scissors and my finger got cut pretty bad. I don't have any band-aids left in my house, but I've been trying to stop the bleeding with paper towel until my husband can get home and get me a band-aid. It's not in a good spot because when I have to use my hands, it seems to just open the cut back up, so that's not good. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because I can't not use my hands during the day, so it's kind of frustrating. I got too much to do right now to be down. Right now, you probably saw the footage of us making the gingerbread cake. That is from our Advent plans, a Colonial Christmas. We're getting ready to do that poetry tea time. I'm gonna set that up for the kids probably in about an hour or so. We will get that done. I've got a little bit more schoolwork to do with my first grader, and then I don't really have any other plans except to make dinner. I'm doing breakfast for dinner tonight, something easy, and then laundry. I've got a lot of laundry to do, all of this bedding, and a lot of laundry to put away. So I will update you guys when we do our poetry tea time. Everybody is excited to have some of this yummy gingerbread cake, which I've already tasted. It is so good. We're going to be reading this book and then reading some poetry of Anne Bradstreet. Yeah, we got our beeswax candles lit.
Beeswax candles.
Yeah, are you guys ready for me to divvy you out